Okay, so this is how you're going to put this door back on. There is a little rod that sticks out down here on the left, and it goes in this hole right here. And then up top, there is another rod, and that goes in this hole on the left right here. And this screw goes in the right one. So to put it in, here, Mia's gonna video while I put it in. This is what you're gonna do next spring. So you're going to put the bottom one in first, and then get on this stool. This is the hard one. But you move, are you videoing? The more you move this bracket to the center, it gets easier to do. So then you slide it, and it gets tighter, and then you're in. And then you put this other knob, are you videotaping this? This other knob comes up and in till you're all the way in place. And then just smack this down pretty far, doesn't have to go all the way. And then screw this in. Hand tighten is fine. And then if you're in at the bottom, it should work.
Yay.
So now to undo it, which you won't need, but I'm gonna undo it now. We're just gonna slide this top boy down. And in fact, I'm gonna leave the screw in it. Then you won't lose the screw. Not sure what I'm doing. Okay, there it is. This is the screw. I'm just gonna hand tighten it and leave this boy. This boy slides back and forth. So I'm gonna leave it towards the middle. This is where you're gonna stick the rod in.